Welcome back, writers. Today we're going to be starting a new unit for writing. We're going to be starting a unit about writing patterns. We're not going to be writing patterns like red, blue, or up, down, like we normally talk about, but instead we're going to be writing pattern books that have words that are similar or that we can predict the pattern of what's going to come next. Today, I'd like to just share with you a story, one that I love sharing with my class, and I bet you've heard before, and it's called Pete the Cat. I Love My White Shoes. The illustrator is James Dean, and the author of this, the person who wrote the words, is Eric Litwig. So we're going to go ahead, take a listen to Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Feel free to join in, and if you haven't heard it, see if you can by catching on to the pattern. I'll show you what we're going to do when we're finished. Let's take a listen.
Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. 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 Oh, no. Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my red shoes. 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 I love my red. Oh, no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my blue shoes. 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 I love. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my brown shoes. 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 I love my brown. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White! But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my wet shoes. 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 The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song, because it's all good.
Wasn't that a great story? I'm pretty sure all of you have heard it before. I sure wished I could have sang along with you, but it was nice to see you guys just enjoying a story. Today for Writer's Workshop, all I want you to do is to get onto Flipgrid, and I want you to tell me 3 things that you love. I love this, I love this, and I love this. I wrote down my examples on my marker board. And so I might get on Flipgrid and say, I love Christmas. I love lights. I love ornaments. I love snowmen. I love presents. And I love Christmas trees. You don't have to use your marker board just like I did, but you can if you want to. What's more important is that you're able to tell your story. 3 things that you love on Flipgrid, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Happy writing!